Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam frosted icy Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of this iridescent white glitter. You're going to need some floral diamond wrap. You're going to need some icy gemstones. And I've got some laurel stems, and I picked all four of these items up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event decor, lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need one of these plain white candles. You're going to need a taper candle holder. You're going to need some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, a floral foam ring, and a silver charger. I've got some different kinds of picks here in silver from Dollar Tree. And then I have some white poinsettias from Dollar Tree. I've got some silver ornaments. Different types of silver ornaments. I've got some snowflakes. And then I have some greenery picks from a garland that I just created. The picks from the garland. So I may or may not be using these. I also have some frosted ones as well. These are the items that we'll need. Oh, and one other thing. I have some hot glue. If you want to make any of the components in this project permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create the centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this icy frosted glam centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And how easy was this to make? Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.